If you own SCHD, money is about to hit your account, and there's a deadline you cannot afford to miss. SCHD just locked in its next dividend, 26 cents per share, paying out June 29th. But here's the catch that trips people up every single quarter. If you don't own your shares before the market closes on June 23rd, you get nothing. You wait 3 more months. So today I'm showing you 3 things. Fast. The exact date you must own, by, precisely how much you'll get paid based on your share count, and one trap that fools investors into thinking they're getting free money when they're not. If you own SCHD or you're about to, the next 8 minutes could be worth hundreds of dollars to you. Let's go. Here's the plan. First, the 3 dates that matter, and the one hard deadline you cannot miss. Then, the exact payout calculator. I'll show you what lands in your account whether you own 100 shares or 10,000. Next, the free money trap, why buying right before the X date is not the easy win people think it is. And finally, what this payment tells us about where SCHD is heading. Stick around for that last part, because it changes how you should think about the next 3 months. Quick disclaimer. This is educational information using current published data, not financial advice. I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Dividend amounts and dates can change, so always verify the current figures yourself before acting. Always consult a qualified professional for your situation. Let me give you the exact dates, because getting these wrong costs you a full quarter of income. Date number 1, the ex-dividend date, June 24th, 2026. This is the most important date for you to understand. The ex-dividend date is the first day that buying SCHD does not get you the dividend. So if you buy on June 24th or later, you do not get this payment. Date number 2, the deadline to own. You must own SCHD by the close of market on June 23rd, 2026. That's the day before the X date. If your shares are settled and on the books at the end of trading on June 23rd, you're getting paid. Buy on the 24th, and you miss it entirely. You wait until September. Date number 3, the pay date, June 29th, 2026. This is the day the cash actually shows up in your brokerage account. If you have dividend reinvestment turned on, it automatically buys more SCHD shares for you on or around that date. If you take it as cash, it just sits in your account ready to use. So burn this into your memory. Owned by June 23rd, X date is June 24th. Paid on June 29th. Miss the 23rd, miss the money. It's that simple and it's that unforgiving. And one quick note on the amount. The payment is 26 cents per share. For comparison, last quarter's payment back in March was about 25.7 cents. And that March payment was actually the largest first quarter dividend in SCHD's entire history, up 3.3% from the year before. So this 26-cent payment is right in line, even ticking slightly higher. The income engine is running smoothly. Now the part you actually care about. How much money are you getting? Let me run real numbers across different position sizes, all based on 26 cents per share. If you own 100 shares, your payment on June 29th is $26. Annualized across 4 quarters, that's roughly $104 a year. If you own 500 shares, your payment is $130 this quarter, about $520 per year. If you own 1,000 shares, you're getting $260 on June 29th, roughly $1,040 annually. If you own about 3,067 shares, which is what a $100,000 position looks like at today's price of around $32.60, your payment is approximately $797 this quarter. Annualized, that's over $3,100 per year, or about $265 per month in dividend income from a fund that charges you just 6 cents on every $100 in fees. If you own around 7,600 shares, a $250,000 position, you're collecting close to $1,980 this single quarter. And if you own 10,000 shares, that's $2,600 hitting your account on June 29th. So find your share count, multiply by 26 cents, and that's your number. Simple. And remember, at SCHD's current yield of about 3.2%, Every $100,000 invested is generating roughly $3,200 a year. Whatever your position, you now know exactly what's coming. Now here's the part nobody warns you about, and it catches new investors every quarter. You might be thinking, great, I'll just buy a big chunk of SCHD on June 23rd, grab the dividend on the 29th, and pocket free money. Stop. It does not work that way, and here's why. On the ex-dividend date, June 24th, SCHD's share price automatically drops by roughly the amount of the dividend. So if the dividend is 26 cents, the price opens about 26 cents lower that morning, all else being equal. That's not a glitch. That's how it's supposed to work. The dividend money was sitting inside the fund's value, and when it gets paid out, the share price adjusts down to reflect it. So if you buy right before the X date just to grab the dividend, you get the 26 cents in cash, but your shares are now worth about 26 cents less. You didn't gain anything. You basically moved money from one pocket to the other. And in a taxable account, it's actually worse because now you owe taxes on that dividend you didn't really gain from. This is called dividend capture, and for regular investors, it usually doesn't pay off. So what's the right move? Don't buy SCHD to chase one quarterly payment. Buy SCHD because you want to own it for years, collecting and growing that income over time. The dividend is a reward for holding a quality fund long-term, not a quick trick to game the calendar. If you were already planning to buy, buying before the 23rd is fine. But don't rush it for a first quarter, so the dividend machine is in good shape. Second, and this is important context, SCHD has had a strong 2026. The fund is up close to 20% this year, which actually outpaced the broader market for much of the year. So you're not just collecting income. The share price has appreciated nicely too. That's the dividend plus growth combination that makes SCHD attractive. But here's the honest balance. Because the price has risen, the yield has come down a bit. When SCHD was cheaper, that same 26-cent dividend represented a higher percentage yield. Now that shares are near their highs, around $32 to $33, you're buying in at a richer price and a slightly lower yield than a year ago. That doesn't make it a bad buy. It just means you're not getting the bargain that earlier buyers got. Set your expectations accordingly. The takeaway: the June 29th dividend is a sign of a healthy, well-run fund doing exactly what it's designed to do. Just don't let a strong year fool you into overpaying or chasing the next payment. Own it for the long game, so let's lock it in. SCHD's next dividend is 26 cents per share. You must own your shares by the close on June 23rd. The X date is June 24th, and the cash hits your account on June 29th. Multiply your share count by 26 cents to find your exact payment. Don't chase the dividend just to capture it, because the price adjusts down and there's no free lunch. And while SCHD is having a great year, the higher price means a slightly lower yield. So buy for the long term, not the quick check. So here's my question for you. How many SCHD shares are you holding into this dividend? Run the math. 26 cents times your shares and drop your payment amount in the comments. I want to see who's collecting the biggest check on June 29th. I read and reply to every single one. Subscribe so you don't miss the next dividend update and the Q3 payment breakdown in September. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.